In this Localio AI review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to allow any local business in less than 30 seconds and zero copywriting skills to have their own copywriting for all of their marketing needs. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades and how you can get a bundle discount on the entire sales funnel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Localio AI, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of great bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of JVZoo after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says 90% of the text you read on this page is auto-written by the AI engine featured inside of Localio. Get that, 90% of the text written on this page. New AI technology auto-creates jaw-dropping marketing content for any offline or online business in less than 30 seconds. Generate conversion-focused copy in 120 plus languages with 20 plus different tones of voice in it. So essentially, this is for anyone who's doing any kind of marketing, copywriting, whether you're doing it for your sales pages, your videos, for your YouTube channels, for your Facebook posts, for whatever, and you don't have any idea how to write sales copy. A lot of people suck at writing sales copy, so they pay thousands of dollars to have other people do it, or they write just really bad copy and then their business fails. So this will allow you to write high converting content using 50 plus copywriting templates. It has a powerful AI engine, automated content creation, works in any language, any country, niche, or domain field in the world, it says. So it doesn't matter what language or what country you're from. So essentially, you just go in there, you add a business name in and a short description, select from over 50 plus high converting AI templates, and you get a unique, highly personalized market copy for your niche. Are you going to be able to just take that and use it as it is? Probably not. You're going to want to go through, read it, and adjust it. Like, AI is great, but you are a real person and you should use your eyes and your brain to go through and make sure everything sounds good and looks good. Use it as a way of like having it so that writer's block doesn't ruin everything for you, and use that as a way of writing good copy with it. You can see here some of the results that they had. They got 5 times more views and cheaper clicks on YouTube ads. They used it to get two times more likes and engagement on ads. And they say here also you can go out there and like pay a copywriter to do this, or try to do it yourself, or use the software like this. So it's up to you what you want to do with that. If you're an amazing copywriter, don't get this. It's not for you. You don't need this software. But if you need a little bit of help for your posts, your Facebook and Instagram posts, your blog posts and website content, your sales pages, all your different stuff here, then you can use a software like this here. They've got a full demo on the sales page here. I'm going to show you a video here in a second, explain this a little bit more. But let me just scroll down through all this. Man, these sales pages are long. If you purchase this, you get access to everything here. You get access to all the different templates, the high converting stuff, the headlines and everything. You can convert normal text search to voice. Wow, you can do that as well with this. I didn't know you could do that. All these different tools included inside of the software. Okay, there's 2 versions. There is a starter version or an advanced version. Most everyone will get the advanced version, and you get all the extra stuff here listed here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to play you a quick video, explain this a little bit more. Then I'll be back to show you the backend area, the OTOs, and of course that special bundle discount.
Did you know that artificial intelligence is not coming? It's already here and it's evolving. Unless you've hidden from the world under a rock, you already know that artificial intelligence adoption has exploded worldwide over the past months alone. Like it or not, this trend has already become the backbone of any successful business, big or small. Businesses that got their access to this disruptive technology first are now growing at a faster rate than their direct competition. They didn't have a secret formula. They simply had access to the technology and tools that allowed them to grow their profit margins for years to come. The world is changing, and so do businesses. Everything is hybrid now. What if I told you that you can integrate the powerful artificial intelligence technology in your own business, increasing your profit margin twice as fast? What if, starting today, you'll have a way to automate the tedious tasks of writing marketing copy for your Google, Facebook, and YouTube ads, for your Google My Business, for your headlines, emails, and over 50 more use cases? And all that without you having to be an artificial intelligence expert. Heck, not even a techie person or professional copywriter. Sounds crazy, right? Well, it's not, and it can be done in just seconds by tapping into an advanced AI technology. This disruptive technology software platform has been used by over 25,000 businesses across the world to automate their marketing and sales processes. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. Just stop and look around at what's happening in the world right now. The big brands across all industries are all adopting AI to write and maintain content for their marketing needs. You either join the party and adapt right now, or you'll be left behind. It's as simple as that. If you fail to adapt, you'll have no choice but to watch your competition eat your lunch, day after day after day. Adopting this new technology in your business right now is the trend you've been waiting for, regardless of your industry. And I believe you want to be part of this one yourself. This could be the most important piece of information that you've ever come across. Businesses worldwide need artificial intelligence now more than ever. Smart SMBs and agency owners are using AI to fully automate all marketing content needs in 2022 already. But here's the real challenge and the big problem. This technology is not available for the general public out there. Not yet, at least. In fact, just a distinct group of people got early access and currently have the upper hand by using this powerful technology. Creating high-converting and engaging content that stands out is a necessity, but doing this constantly is hard and expensive, especially if you've got zero copywriting skills. It requires someone who has a deep understanding of marketing concepts. You must certainly need to be an experienced copywriter. It's a tedious and time-consuming task when done manually, and it's a constant struggle to deliver high-quality marketing content day in, day out. Fortunately now, the disruptive technology that we've only dreamed about years ago has now become a reality, and I've made it my mission to bring this tech for anyone, regardless of copywriting experience or marketing background. Introducing true AI technology that empowers SMBs and marketing agencies worldwide, Localio.ai. With Localio, you'll be able to create unique, high-quality copywriting content for yourself and your clients in seconds. Create high-converting Facebook, Google, and YouTube text ads with zero experience. Create click-driven headlines, subheadlines, product descriptions, and YouTube video titles that drive conversions. Solve your copywriting problems and get your business overbooked with high-paying clients by following 3 simple steps. Step 1. Select from our 50-plus high-converting copywriting blocks enhanced by True AI. Get highly personalized written text copy for all your marketing needs, starting from Facebook, Google, Bing, and YouTube ads, blog posts, product descriptions, and website content, search engine optimized content, YouTube video ideas, titles and descriptions, Google Business Profile optimized content, LinkedIn and Yelp posts and descriptions, Facebook posts, Groupon and discount deals, to Black Friday special deals, voiceover scripts, radio ads scripts, video descriptions, and so much more. Step 2. Fill in the blanks, your business name and description. Just let our AI engine know your business name and description. Click Generate, sit back, and relax. Our smart engine, backed up by a set of high-converting templates, is going to do all the hard work for you. Step 3. Generate unique, jaw-dropping content. The newly created content is high quality, as it was written by a professional copywriter and auto-optimized to fit your business brand and message. You can even generate multiple 100% plagiarized free variations and choose the one that fits best for your brand and needs. This is life-changing for many smart business owners already. You'll get instant access to over 50-plus AI copywriting templates in many languages, plus 20 different tones of voice. Here are just some of the most popular ones you can access as soon as you join Localio. Google Business Profile Bio, Facebook and Google Ads texts, LinkedIn and Yelp descriptions, YouTube videos and ads, local business listings, special deals and one-time offers, call to action texts, and so much more, and constantly generate top-quality content for businesses like marketing agencies, company websites, online shops, personal blogs, videos and vlogs, social media, local businesses, online advertising, offline advertising, and the list can literally go on forever. The possibilities are virtually endless. Just imagine how your life can turn around when you'll be able to generate blocks of content for your website, blog, social media, YouTube, and even radio spots in just seconds, even if you're a complete newbie. And now picture having the capabilities to do this consistently for dozens of clients daily. This is actually good news for you because you will become the hero of the story by using AI technology and get paid handsomely for copywriting services that are typically reserved for writers with 20+ years of experience. That's it. Simple, right? Don't overcomplicate this and become the hero for your business and for many other business owners out there. But don't take my word for it. Here's what other business owners have to say about Localio. Everything you need to succeed is included on the other side of the buy button. Once payment is complete, you'll get instant access to everything you'll ever need to take your business to the next level. With Localio AI, there's no copywriting experience necessary. It's easy even for non-techie people. Just scroll down this page at what type of marketing content you can generate in seconds by using Localio Smart AI technology. We give you everything you need to start, even if you're a complete newbie and have zero technical skills, or even if you're an experienced marketer looking to close more clients or sell more products. You can try Localio for the next 14 days completely risk-free. This means you have absolutely no risk and no excuses not to give this a try today. If you want to be among the first to capitalize on this opportunity, then hit the buy button and get immediate access to one of the easiest online money-making systems you'll ever come across. But hurry, the price will increase. If you are ready to take charge of your financial situation, then hit the buy button now, and I'll see you inside the members area just minutes from now. Oh, and one last thing that will shock you. Did you notice that the script for this video has been written by our artificial intelligence engine inside Localio? Amazing, right? Try Localio today and get your hands on the most advanced copywriting and marketing software platform out there.
Okay, so this is the backend area that you'll have access to after you purchase. It's all online and cloud-based, but of course there are upgrades. Let's walk through those. So the first one here, it says 50+ new AI templates using smart automation workflows. So you can have these, you can create content twice as fast with the pro version of this here. So this is going to give you a faster way of creating content. Adds an extra 100,000+ written words every 3 months, and it unlocks these different automation workflows and stuff with this. So this is an optional upgrade. You don't have to get it if you don't want to, but it's there for you to purchase. You can get this monthly at $97. You can get it for quarterly at $197, or if you just say, screw it, I don't want to pay monthly or quarterly, I just want to get it one time, you get the one-time deal as well. Next one is unlock your access to the agency module here for more service more clients while outsourcing the time-consuming work. So you can get this one here for the agency module. This one here is either you can do the starter pack for $147 or the $197 here for the exclusive one here. So that's that as well. And then they have this one here. This is AI templates. You can have access to hidden features and whatnot with this. And this is a club here. So this one here is either 147 or it looks like, see, why does it say up here? It says 147 to 197. I'm not sure which one is right, but it looks like it's going to be 67 or 97 one time. But here's the thing. They also will have, and I'll have a link to it below my YouTube video and on my bonus page, a bundle deal. I believe it's going to be around $297, where instead of buying all this stuff separately, you can get everything for a one-time price if you want to skip that sales funnel. So, so you get a big discount on everything. So yeah, all the OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Localio AI and what don't I like about it? If I just say something that I don't like about this, a software will never, in my experience, unless we maybe in like 100 years, I don't know, but in my experience, it's not going to be better than a real person. So if you are an excellent copywriter or you don't mind paying hundreds or thousands of dollars to copywriters to do your stuff for you, then this isn't for you. So just know that this isn't going to be as good as that. What do I like about this? If you're someone that struggles with copy, if you're someone that struggles with marketing, you have no idea what to write when you sit down at your computer, this could help you out with that. Again, you're going to want to take what they give you and like read it over, make sure it makes sense and adjust it. If that's something that you'd like to pick up and provide as a service as well, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Localio AI, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thanks so much for watching and I'll see you again in my next review video.